Are you struggling with replacing headers in your FASTA files? It can be a bit tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together and get your files sorted out. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you have a bunch of files to edit, and the process seems complicated. You're not alone in this. Many people face similar challenges when working with bioinformatics data. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked how to replace all headers in their FASTA files with the file name and then concatenate them. They provided an example of their files and the desired output. Sound familiar? Let's dive into the solution. So, what's the issue here? The user is trying to replace headers that start with a greater than symbol and wants to use the file name instead. This is a common task in bioinformatics, and we can definitely help with that. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that will make handling FASTA files even easier in the future. To begin solving this issue, the user needs to modify the command used to replace the headers in the FASTA files. The first step is to correctly extract the file name without the extension. Next, the user should use a command that properly replaces the header lines. Instead of using a pipe, the user can use a combination of sed and redirection to achieve this. After that, the user needs to concatenate all the output files into a single file. This can be done using the cat command. Finally, the user should run the complete script in the terminal to process all the FASTA files in the directory. This will replace the headers and concatenate the results. Fun fact, the FASTA format was developed in the 1980s and has become a standard in bioinformatics. It's amazing how something so simple can hold so much information. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using double quotes for variable expansion in the sed command. This ensures that the variable is correctly interpreted rather than treated as literal text. And here's that quick tip I promised. Always double-check your command syntax when working with scripts. A small typo can lead to big headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to replace headers in your FASTA files and concatenate them successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on bioinformatics.